Hello, residents of Ivy Green. As you prepare for Squeegee Clean to arrive and clean your home, here are a few important steps to ensure a smooth and effective cleaning process. Squeegee Clean is celebrating our 20th year anniversary this year. We have a number of items that you can get after all of the houses are cleaned. They are on your door and we've pre-priced them, so you just call our office and we can get you a price. Firstly, please remove any delicate items away from the spray area, such as wreaths, plants, under awnings. These can be placed inside your home or in a safe place at your yard. If you have large pots, like ferns and different plants on them, just move them away, otherwise we'll just cover them and make sure they're taken care of. You need to make sure your gate is unlocked, otherwise, we don't want to have to skip that backyard. Let's go around to the front and take a look at some other things. Please keep things, cotton and other items, electronics off of your back porch. Move your vehicle to the end of your driveway so it's out of the spray zone and it's in a safe spot. Please remember to close windows and doors and be mindful of drip lines if you need to move in and out during our cleaning process, as our solution can damage clothing. Lastly, thank you very much for your cooperation, and we look forward to providing you with a gentle and effective soft wash service. Have a fantastic day.